We're going to walk through 4 problems today where we take a number in standard form and convert it to scientific notation. Remember, scientific notation requires that a number be stated in a specific form. That specific form takes a number greater than 1 and less than 10 and multiplies it by a power of 10. You'll see the 4 examples here. Pause the video and work them out for yourself. Then unpause and check your answers with mine. Example 1. Convert 18,900 to scientific notation. We first find a number greater than 1, less than 10 that we can work with. That means we have 1.89, and we're going to multiply it by a power of 10. In order to get 1.89 into 18,900, we would need to move the decimal to the right a total of 4 spaces. 1.89 times 10 to the 4th power is our answer. Example 2. Convert 62,380 to scientific notation. We start with 6.238 and see how many times we need to move the decimal to the right to get it back to 62,380. It looks like we need to move it again 4 times. So 6.238 times 10 to the 4th power is our number in scientific notation. Example 3. Convert 7,862,300 to scientific notation. Even though it's a lot of digits, the concept is still the same. 7.8623 times 10 times what number gives us the 7,862,300? We would have to move the decimal to the right a total of 6 spaces. So 7.8623 times 10 to the 6th power is our answer. Example 4. Convert 1,230 to scientific notation. 1.23 times 10 to what power is needed? Well, we need to move the decimal to the right 3 times to get our decimal in the right place. So 1.23 times 10 cubed is the answer. Drop me a comment below if you got them all right. Don't forget, you can check out my improvedmath.com website if you want some more practice problems with a worksheet and answers. For more math help videos and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget you can follow me on TikTok at ImprovedMath1 also. See you next time.